In Lianyungang, Jiangsu, a man spent 30,000 to get a 7th generation Camry. A trusted transporter from 2,000 kilometers away delivered it to Cheongda in Qingzhou for a complete overhaul. The first step was to check the car's condition. The chassis parts were rusty, the rubber bushings were aging, and the paint had lost its shine. Fans requested us to restore the car to 90% of its new condition, not even missing a screw. Transform the exterior from this to this, the chassis from this to this, and the interior from beige to black. Without further ado, let's see if our team can complete the task, starting with the chassis. The chassis has been completely disassembled and every usable part is derusted and refurbished.
Iron plate frying and sandblasting for rust removal.
Do not overlook the screws.
Wash a second time with foam.
All chassis parts have been refurbished. The refurbished screws are being reinstalled and the aged chassis parts are being replaced.
Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. And hit the bell icon to stay updated with our latest videos.
The body is restored to a nearly new car condition. Everything is new. Starting to dismantle the exterior and interior. If your right leg is crossed over your left leg now, you must watch until the end. The entire car is dismantled to thoroughly service and discover hidden issues. Mice have moved into the car. The interior is organized neatly, awaiting refurbishment. Remove the old car paint.
Spray epoxy anti-rust. Sand and smooth the putty. Spray primer.
Do any fans know what kind of relatives these are? The parrots on both sides of the picture are very close relatives.
The interior renovation is complete, with a set of black interior chosen and covered with top-grain calf leather. Replace the original clips to avoid noise inside the car. Attach the original factory label, prepare for a 1-month process, complete the overall refurbishment, and have Xiaojang personally inspect it for a brand new release.
Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. And hit the bell icon to stay updated with our latest videos.